In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments in HubSpot, which is an essential skill for managing your business transactions efficiently. First things first, let's kick things off by heading over to the user guide on HubSpot. You can easily find this page by visiting the official HubSpot website and navigating to the user guide section. This guide acts like your map, helping you find the way to everything you need within HubSpot. Once you're at the user guide, the next step is to click on the Commerce section. This part of HubSpot is critical because it encompasses everything related to buying and selling operations within the platform. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available, but don't worry, we are zeroing in on exactly what you need to do. After you've clicked on Commerce, the following move is to select Payments. Think of payments as the control room for all your financial transactions. It is a pivotal tool that allows you to manage your customers' payments, ensuring everything is streamlined and in order. This section is designed to be user-friendly, but it's always a good idea to take a quick tour before diving deeper, just so you're familiar with where everything is located. Now that you've clicked on Payments, the next thing you will see is the option to set up payments. You'll want to click on that. This is where the magic happens, as setting up payments is crucial for handling transactions smoothly. Here, HubSpot may prompt you to enter specific information like your business details, banking information, or other payment-related settings. Be sure to have these details handy before you start. It's also worth double-checking everything to avoid any hiccups down the line. A little tip as you go through this process, explore the different features available in the Payment Setup tool. For instance, HubSpot may offer various payment methods options, such as credit cards, direct debit, or other payment gateways. Check what's most suitable for your business model. Also, keep an eye out for any notifications that might suggest setting up additional security settings or authorizations, ensuring that your transactions are secure and trustworthy. As you wrap up, take a moment to review everything thoroughly. It's essential to ensure that the payment process aligns perfectly with how you want to conduct your sales operations and meets all the legal guidelines applicable to your business. If everything looks good, you're all set to start processing payments through HubSpot. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step toward optimizing your business transactions in HubSpot. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials. See you next time.